So this is the fence panel. It's just totally sitting on the ground or whatever. Like I said, pulled out there, that screw, and then that screw broke off or whatever. And I don't know, that might not have been doing much. And then this is pretty wobbly. That one's better. This one probably is fine. Yeah, so it's just this one fence post. Yeah, so I'll get it back up. Olivia, we're gonna fix a fence. Safety first. Gotta get your eye protection. Oh no, you gotta put it on your face. The eye protection is not gonna work. She doesn't like that. Doesn't like that. Let's try hearing protection. Much better. Safety first. Okay, you've thrown the gloves on the ground too now. Okay, so maybe I should just do the work. How's that?